Altcoins have been around for a while, and buyers and traders are becoming more and more interested in them. But because there are so many altcoins on the market, it can be hard to stand out. So, marketing comes into play. So, let's get started and talk about some good ways to sell altcoins. Make a strong brand identity. Making a strong brand identity is the first step to effective Bitcoin marketing. This means making a logo, a tagline, and a general look for your brand that speaks to your target audience. By making a memorable brand name, you can set yourself apart from other altcoins and gain investors' trust. Engage with your community. Altcoins depend on the support of their communities, so it's important to interact with your community often. This can be done by holding Ask Me Anything (AMA) sessions on social media, replying to comments, and making a place for community members to talk about your altcoin. By getting involved with your community, you can build a group of fans who will stick with your project no matter what. Use social media. Social media is a great way to sell altcoins. You can reach a large audience and connect with possible investors on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, and Telegram. But it's important to know how to use social media well. Don't send too many updates or hype to your fans. Instead, you should focus on making useful material that teaches people about your project. Form partnerships. Forming partnerships with other altcoins or blockchain projects can be a good way to increase your reach and reputation. By working with other projects, you can reach their viewers and earn the trust of possible investors. When choosing partners, look for projects that fit with your values and have a good name in the business. Attend events. Going to events and conferences in your field is a great way to meet other professionals and show off your altcoin. By going to events, you can also find out about the latest trends and changes in your field. Conclusion. There you have it, some good ways to sell altcoins. Remember that marketing is important for any cryptocurrency project, and it's important to spend time and money building a strong brand name, getting involved with your community, using social media, making partnerships, and going to events. If you liked this video and thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and information about cryptocurrency. Thanks for coming to watch.